What's up? I ain't want none. I just kind of tell you I was back, bitch.
Trick shot. Good, YouTube. On the way back to get my car, man. We're gonna find out what the problem. Well, they kind of told me what the problem was. I just don't think that's the problem. I don't know, man. They didn't have my car 3 days, so he said the car's been ready. A couple of days ago, he was trying to keep it to see if the problem occurred again. That's basically what he did. So I'm on my way to get my charger now. But look at this, man. I done got this thing dirty. Look, look, look. Yeah, that's just going to work. That thing dirty. I'm dirty. Yeah. Right, man, that thing right there say since 1841 right there, man. That's tight how they got that engraved in there. I didn't know that. Dashboard look good. Look at it. Look how that changed up on them. Look how that changed up on them. Boom. Boom. They go hard right there. I like that. But yeah, man, I'm on the way to get this car. Man, if they didn't hook all my stuff back up, I will be hooking it back up. So, without further ado, man, I see you cats when I get there and on my way back or whatever the case may be, man. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, man. Leave a comment. Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're doing. I'll let your boy. Them two waving. Stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. Alright. Okay. We back in here. We reloaded. Chuck ain't say what's up last time. He was kind of feeling down. Because, matter of fact, he got his headgear on right now. You can't see his face. Let's check me out now. Okay, okay. Gonna let this ride for a couple days. See what happens. Started up all right, though. I like the way it sounded when it started, man. I don't think y'all understand how frustrating that was. I think we should be good, though. Let me put that back on there. Y'all ain't got that on there, y'all. Get y'all one of these, man. Get y'all one of these, man. You gotta get you one of them. You got my joint been unplugged. You got my satellite all messed up. Yeah, John, man. Let's see if we can go here. Well, they didn't plug anything back up, but that's okay. I can plug it all back up and see what happens from here on out there. They didn't plug my camera back up either, did they? All right, then we might be in business, man. right, man, I'll get with y'all in a second, man. All right, I'll let your boy stay ready. You ain't got it. Get ready. Y'all saw the boy back from picking up his car. Kind of late though. He was driving by me. I know they're looking at me like I'm crazy. But yeah, everything's good so far. Everything good so far. That light bright as hell. See that? Yeah, leave that light bright. All right, man. It's your boy. Deuces. Oh boy. Next day, after I got my car back, we'll have to figure out if it worked, if it still worked. So when I go start it, but I'm quite sure it's good. Like I said, it was a piece up under my fuse box that they say had to be tightened up. Maybe that's from getting all the aftermarket and custom parts done. People don't tighten up stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing started. I'm gonna try to do it with my auto start. Let's see if that works. Let's check it out. Yeah, it worked, baby. Hell yeah. But you know, if, well, we gotta wait and give it a second, because if it cuts back off, that means the engine light came back on. Because it doesn't stay on. If the fuel too low, or anything cuts on, such as the engine light, check engine light, brake light, you know, stuff of that nature, anything that's malfunctioning won't stay lit. So, but it's staying, I said stay lit, but it's staying cranked. So let's go in up in here and check the dash out. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell y'all about these two right here. See that? See that light on? Go around. I ran up on the curb, up on the top of it. Light on. Light on. Off. So I gotta go get this one, get another one to the net. The LED lights ain't worth for shit. I'll tell you the truth. And I'm gonna tell y'all about these lights right here. That's my next topic. These lights right here. That will be my next topic. I'm gonna tell y'all about them LED lights and all that good stuff. Well, I'm inside it. Yeah, buddy. Dash clear. No lights on. No lights on. Yeah, boy. Shut up. And I also done hooked up all my stuff back up. My system, my lights. The only thing I ain't put back in here was my pedal box. People say it takes 5 minutes for the pedal box in. I say yeah, and I say nah. Because you have to program it or tune it or whatever you want to call it once you put it in. But you got to get up under the dash. Me being 6'2" and some change, 240, that shit is not easy getting up under there. I'm gonna tell you now, it's not easy getting up under there. But I do it. So I'm gonna put that back in. I'll let y'all know that too. Other than that, man, I'm gonna head to the gym. I see y'all after I leave the gym. I'm gonna holler back at you. It's your boy, him too wavy. Stay ready. You ain't gotta get ready. You know how I saying go. Comment, like, and subscribe. Keep it moving, baby. Let's do this. Hook your boy up. We're going into 2021. 2020 was a hell of a year. A hell of a year. And I'm out.